So what we doing today, boo?
We're taking Buddy to the vet because he keeps sneezing and he got a lot of snot. I think he might have kennel cough.
I want one of those. See, I want one of those.
Oh, you thought I was picking up a Buddy?
Yeah. Everybody's here in the back.
Oh, wow.
Alright, now we can come on.
There's no way. 9 pounds? Smell better than him. He smell like throw up. He's I'm about to jump off. I'm like freaking out though. There you go.
Come on. There you go. You're so cute. Where you going?
Get out. Little Jimmy's stuck in the wheel. What?
Oh.
Nothing too remarkable on his physical though. We'll see if we got fever or anything going on. I don't see any abnormal discharge. He sounded, like I said, heart and lungs sounded good.
Okay.
So we could have a little bit of, if you're hearing a little congestion, could be more just a little bit upper respiratory. It's always a little bit of a risk in a public place, so he could be trying to fight something off. It's very possible. That's why I
Get your
want to
fancy
see.
tail out of the way.
You okay?
Imagine trying to get that in Caesar.
Yeah.
Yeah. He hates the vet.
That's nice and normal. No fever or anything.
Okay.
So yeah, his physical is looking pretty unremarkable. If you feel like it's like a really excessive amount of sneezing or congestion at home and you want to be proactive, we could try to do a short course of antibiotics. I'm not seeing anything on his physical that makes me go it's absolutely required. You know, he does not have any yellow or green discharge. We don't have like a fever, like we're fighting something off right now. It could be very mild, just like you come across something, you fight it off for a few days, you go back to normal. You know, you don't always need intervention. So it's kind of up to you as far as how proactive you want to be. I wouldn't be opposed to doing a short, like 7 to 10 day course of antibiotics. But I don't know that they're absolutely necessary, especially if he's already seeming to improve.
Exactly.
And I'll be back.
Alrighty.
Okay.
Thank you guys once again.
You're welcome.
Put the thing, where's the doctor said put the thing to your butt?
She ain't wearing no gloves. I thought that was kind of weird. I know, but I would have put on some gloves. Now they're tangled.
Come here, buddy.
It's okay. He'll take the heat.
There you go. You guys have a great day.
Thank you, you too.
You got the medicine?
It's in my pocket.
You want one? Look at the little mouse. Oh, he said. He's so cute.
What's in here? Damn. You big as hell. Buddy, you want one of these?
Where's the? Yeah, you do. So we can get him a guinea pig.
No, baby.
What about a bearded dragon? Where's those? Here. It's so cute. See, look what they eat. Vegetables. Is he sleeping? Yeah, his eyes.
That's how small they are when they come out?
Yeah.
Dang. How long did it take them to grow?
They live for 10 years. Wow.
Oh, dang, they grow fast then.
Why are you so close?
Oh, okay.
I thought you were close.
Yeah.
So, but he's doing better. So they said that there's nothing wrong with him. He's probably just fighting off something. Why are you so close to my face?
I'm not.
It feels like it.
No,
Oh yeah,
I'm
they
not.
said he was just fighting off something that he probably caught when you guys haircut. So that's
Yeah, so
good.
you good. Oh, wow. Oh.
They don't want to see that.
Yeah. All right, we hope you guys enjoyed the video. Make sure you guys comment, like, and subscribe, and we will see you in the next one.
And leave a comment down below if you think Lauren should let me get a bearded dragon. Because me and Buddy want one.
Everybody comment now.